and give them 3 pieces of it. You see what I mean? So I have to take one of these and cut it into 8 pieces. You see? So it's got to make sense to you. You got to say it till it makes sense to you. Just looking at those numbers, they don't mean anything. It's got to make sense what's going on. Then it makes sense what to do. Then you don't have to memorize what to do. Then you don't forget what to do because it makes sense. You don't forget to stop at a red light. Sometimes you just don't, but you don't forget, because when you do, you're looking, because I know I do it. You just, sometimes you just happen and it turns right on you. I'm looking, oh please, no lights and sirens behind me. I'm trying to think of what can I tell them to make them not give me a ticket if they come. It's got to make sense. You had 2, they wanted 1 and some pieces. As long as you got 2, you can give them 1 and some pieces. But I got to make some pieces first. And I'm going to make what they want. They want 8ths, I'll make 8 8ths. They want 13ths, I'll make 13 13ths. But like I said, sometimes you have some, but just not enough. You got 1 piece, they want 2. They want 3rds. I got to go get some more 3rds. I already had 1/3. I just cut 3 more. So now I got 4 3rds. Now I can give you 2 3rds. And I have 2 3rds left. Okay? Make sense?
What's the answer to that problem right there?
This one?
Yeah.
What you
I
think?
just want to know.
You tell me.
No, it's just
What's the answer?
8
That's got what's got to be.
Is it 5 8?
Is it?
I just want to make sure.
But like the way I was like, okay, I get it in my head too, but like I was just
Take
imagining
those
you
3
filling-
out, you got
filling in
5
those
left.
3, and then I was counting the rest, and I was like,
That's it.
And then you don't, okay.
You don't have any holes you gave. You
Right.
wanted 1, I gave it to you. I have no holes left.
I just wanted to make sure that
That's what it is. That's it. You see, it's got to make sense to you. So I want you,
I just got this part too.
Yeah.
We did this again.
yeah, we're going to do it again another 8 weeks.
I know.
If you're still here. You guys practice adding and subtracting fractions. If you have a math book, find problems there. If you don't have a math book, and if you're new to class, I'm going to give, if you have access to the internet, I'm going to give you a website that you need to write down that gives you as much practice as you ever want in anything. The website is www.mathproblemgenerator.com. When you get to that page, you're going to have to scroll down, because you're going to see all kinds of things they want you to pay. Scroll down, and in little letters down here is going to be something that says Davidley Math Academy. Just look for something that says Math Academy. It's in little letters toward the bottom. And if you click on that, it's going to come up, and they'll have one that says GED Math. Click on that. And then it'll have every subject. It'll have adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, fractions, decimals, percent, everything in there. And every time you click on a new problem, it'll give you a new problem. New problem, it'll give you the answer. You can either click, you can even click on a video. It'll show a video telling you how to do it in case you forget the steps. That's a wonderful site, but make sure you go down and click on that Davidley Math Academy, because if you click on anything else, they'll try to get you to pay for stuff and get a subscription. You don't need that. That Davidley Math Academy is free.